So my name is Tania Ramos Moreno. I'm originally from Spain. I'm a doctor in neuroscience with a background in stem cell therapies. And what I'm doing is to try to find effective treatments for any condition in the central nervous system. The attitude that we bring in my company is a bit of me, which is like it has to be something of value to the society. We need to add to the treatment. It's not just because you want to become profitable, it's because you want to make a difference. It is easier than I expected, but that's because I have like a great team behind me, guiding me and supporting me and teaching me. So the most difficult part, I would say, was just to trust that I could do it. Yeah. To realize that that there are people that also believe in your idea. That is fantastic. If you want to go towards innovation, I would say just embrace the ride, because it's not that difficult.